Hello, good morning children. Suparna ma'am is back again with a new topic today. Children, today I will be doing a new topic of grammar, English grammar. Okay, I will be teaching you about the correct use of a and an. So basically I will be talking to you about the concept of vowels and consonants. What are they actually? As you all know, totally there are 26 alphabets, okay, right, starting from A up to Z. You all know A, B, C, D, okay. There are actually 26 letters. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So out of the 26 letters, there are 5 letters which are like really special, okay. Those 5 letters are A, E, I, O and U, okay. So A, E, I, O, U, they are the 5 letters which are called vowels, okay. They are called vowels. So before words starting with vowels, we will always use an. So the words starting with A, E, I, O, U will always have an before them, okay. And the remaining letters other than A, E, I, O, U, what are the remaining letters? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. All the other remaining, 21 letters, they are called consonants. Before words starting with the consonants, we will always use a. So, I know it sounds little difficult and little confusing. So, to make it very easy and to give you a clear picture, I have set up the table again as I always do. And what is my plan? To show you with the objects so that you get a very clear picture and you are not confused at all. First of all, I want all of you to see this. What is this, children? Tell me, you all know this. What is this? Red and round. You all eat this fruit, no, to be strong. Which fruit is this? Yes, this is an apple. Now, what is the spelling of apple, children? A-P-P-L-E, apple. Okay. So, apple starts with the letter A and A is a vowel, as I told you. So, before apple, we will always use an because apple starts with A. Same for other words with A, like alligator, ant, astronaut. So, all the words which start with the letter A, you will use an. So, I have brought an apple today. So, you will always write an apple. Clear? I will move on to the next object. See, what is this? You all play, no? What is this? You all play with this, I know. This is a drum. So, drum starts with which letter? And first of all, tell me the spelling of drum. D-R-U-M, drum. So, drum starts with D. D is not a vowel. D is a consonant. So, what will we say? We will say this is a drum. This is a drum. So, before words with D, we will write a. Okay. So, you will write this is a drum. Correct? Next, look at this. What is this? You also know what is this. This is a musical instrument. This is a guitar. Guitar starts with the letter G. What is the spelling of guitar? G-U-I-T-A-R. So, guitar starts with G. So, before guitar, what will you write? Yes, you will write a guitar. We will not use an because G is not a vowel. It is consonant. Correct? Next, now I want you to see what is this. This is a fruit. This is a seasonal fruit, and since this is winter season, all of us must be eating this fruit at home. Yes, this is an orange. Okay, this is an orange. So, what is the spelling of orange? O-R-A-N-G-E, and orange starts with the letter O. Since O is an vowel, so we will always write an orange, or rather we will always say, whenever we talk about orange, whether we are talking, speaking, reading or writing, we will always use an. This is an orange because orange starts with O and O is a vowel. Have I made myself clear, children? Next, look at this. What is this? This is a bright and colorful flower. This is a flower. So, flower, what is the spelling of flower? F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Flower starts with the letter F. Is F a vowel or a consonant? Yes, F is a consonant letter. So, before flower, we will always say a flower. If it is one, you will say a flower. If there are many, you can say these are flowers, or I can see many flowers. But if you are talking about one, so you will always say this is a flower. This is a flower. A. So before F, you will use a. Correct? Now what is this? Yummy, yummy. We all love to eat this. What is this? This is an ice cream. You all like to eat ice cream, no? I love ice cream and I can't resist myself. So let me take a bite. Yummy. Okay. So children, ice cream starts with the letter I. Okay. See, this is melting also. So before the letter I, which word will we use? We will use an, because as we know, I is vowel, and before vowel we always use an. So this is an ice cream. Okay, this is an ice cream. And children, I would also like to say that there are many words with I. This is an ink pot, this is an igloo, this is an insect. There are many words with I. So whenever we have words with I, we will always use an. Clear? Now see, what is this? This is a cup. We all use this to drink. We can drink tea, we can drink water. This is a cup. What is the spelling of cup? C-U-P. So cup starts with the letter C. C is a consonant. So we will always say this is a cup. Okay? Because C is not a vowel. It is a consonant. Next, what is this? We all use this. I am very thirsty. Let me drink some water. This is a bottle. This is a bottle. Okay? Bottle starts with which letter and what is the spelling of bottle? B-O-T-T-L-E. Bottle. Bottle starts with the letter B, and B is a consonant letter. So we will always say this is a bottle. This is a bottle because bottle starts with letter B. Clear? Next, see, what is this? Which animal is this? This animal has a long trunk and big ears. Which animal is this? This is an elephant. It is big and huge. This is an elephant. So before elephant, you tell me, what will you write before elephant? Will you write a elephant or will you write an elephant? Think of the spelling. Yes, the spelling of elephant is E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Correct? And elephant starts with the letter E. So for this reason, we will always say this is an elephant. Okay? All the words that starts with the letter E, we will always use an. This is an elephant, this is an egg. So this is an engine. All the words with E will always have an before it. So this is an elephant. Next, what is this? This is a flower vase. Okay? We can keep flowers inside the vase. But if I just say, I would say this is a vase. The spelling of vase is V-A-S-E. Vase starts with the letter V. So we will always say this is a vase. Okay? We will always say this is a vase because vase is starting with V and V is a consonant letter. Clear, children? Now the last object for today. What is this? This is an umbrella. We use this when it rains. You all have an umbrella at home, I am sure. So children, what will you write before umbrella? Think of the spelling of umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. And umbrella starts with U. So before umbrella, we will always write an umbrella. This is an umbrella. This is an umbrella. So there are many other words with U. You know, this is an uniform, this is an umbrella, this is an urn. So different words starting with letter U will always start with an. This is an umbrella. Okay children? And now let me quickly revise with you. What is this? This is a drum. This is an apple. This is a guitar. This is an orange. And I have shown you ice cream. It started melting. This is a cup. This is a bottle. This is an elephant. This is a vase. And this is an umbrella. So children, I hope after today's class your concept is more or less clear about where to use a and where to use an. So for all the vowels A, E, I, O, U we use an, and for all the consonants we use a. Okay children, I hope you have understood this class and you really enjoyed watching this. Okay, bye children.
Thank you for watching the video. To know more about us, click www.stxavierspublicschool.com. If you like our video, then share and subscribe, please. Tata all my friend. I see you again in next video. Bye bye.